Hey guys, welcome to the channel Taking a Bath, and the bathroom is the only place where you can play with your gadgets in peace, guys. On this channel we do product reviews and also some tutorials, so make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also smash that bell notification so you can be up to date with all of our latest video, guys. Also, if you don't mind, go ahead and check out my website, www.themanwhosetHimself-on-fire, guys. This is a real life story, guys. I accidentally set myself on fire in 2006. It's a great way you can support the channel. It's selling for about $5.99. This is the cover of the book somewhere over here. I don't know where I'm going to put it in the edit, but go ahead and check out that link, guys. Now let's jump right into it. As you can tell by the thumbnail, the Blue Yeti versus the Zinyou. So today we're going to look at three microphones, and we're going to put them up against the Blue Yeti. The Blue Yeti is one of the most popular mics on the planet, guys, and most YouTubers, especially beginner YouTubers, have it starting out, guys. So today we're going to look at the Zinyou 8000, the Zinyou 800, and the Zinyou 801. This is the Zinyou 8000, guys. Get a look at that right there. So this will be the first one we'll start off with. We're going to do it with and without phantom power, and then I'm going to tell you guys my final recommendation. I'll give you guys my final conclusion at the end. All right, enough talking. Let's jump right into it. All right, guys, the Zinyou 8000 head-on recording. Your printer is now web connected and has its own email address. Email files to your printer to print from anywhere at any time. Alright, this is the Zinyou 8000 with phantom power. Your printer is now web connected and has its own email address. Email files to your printer to print from anywhere at any time. Let you guys get a sense of with the phantom power directly up on it, and let you capture some of the background noise. Alright, guys, this is the BM800. It's without phantom power. Your printer is now web connected and it has its own email address. Email files to your printer to print from anywhere at any time. BM800 without phantom power. This is the BM800 with phantom power. Your printer is now web connected and has its own email address. Email files to your printer to print from anywhere at any time. And I want to see you guys can see what type of background noise it picks up. Alright, guys, this is the Zinyou condenser mic. This is the 801. And this comes with a little stand that you set on the desk. Nice looking mic. Now this one did not come with a sound card, so to make it fair, I went ahead and I used one of the other USB sound cards to plug it in. This is without phantom power. Your printer is now web connected and has its own email address. Email files to your printer to print from anywhere at any time. Go ahead and let you guys catch some of the background noise. Okay, this is the Zinyou 801 mic with phantom power. Your printer is now web connected and has its own email address. Email files to your printer to print from anywhere at any time. And let you guys once again hear any background noise. Alright, guys, before I give you my final opinion, guys, we really have to look at some things. So let's look at it one by one. This is the Zinyou BM8000. Look at the price, guys. So this is $33, guys, and it's everything that is included with it. Now granted, it's not the best of material, but the mic is solidly built, guys. It does have a nice weight to the mic and it's solidly built. So that's the Zinyou 8000. And then when we go to the Zinyou BM800, again, look at all of the items you get. Again, cheap stand, but the mic is solidly built, guys. Take that into consideration at $34. And then you're looking at the Zinyou ZY801. And this is everything that you have included with that, and this is $39. One more time, take the price into consideration And when we're talking about the Blue Yeti, the prices range from the combos that you get. You can see anywhere from $149 to $129, $119. So yeah guys, the Blue Yeti is significantly more expensive, about $60 plus more expensive guys than the mics that we reviewed here today. So keep that in mind as I give my opinions. Alright guys, after reviewing all of the mics and taking into consideration the prices of the mics guys, I have to say that you really can get some good quality at those low price mics. Now, in my opinion, the Blue Yeti is king because it's simply plug and play, no phantom power guys. You just adjust your gain and you good to go. My computer volume for the mics was set the same way for all of the mics, so if some of the mics sound low, you can go into your computer and raise that volume. What you're really looking for is clarity and the different types of mics, right? So omnidirectional and stuff like that, you really have to become a student of it. Now, I'm no audiophile myself, that's why I say the Blue Yeti is simply plug and play. For me, it's audio for dummies. When I got it, I just simply made some really small adjustments. I was good to go. With these mics right here, you have to add phantom power, adjust the volumes, etc. But if I was starting a YouTube channel and I was looking for a really good mic, I would definitely choose one of the Zinyou mics guys. Now, Blue Yeti reign king, but man, those Zinyou guys, price saver, and you definitely can get some good sound out of it if you add phantom power and adjust your volume. Hey, it's your boy taking the bathroom guys. Thank you for all of your support. Make sure that you look down into the description once again to check out my ebook guys. Peace. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification button so you can be up to date with all of my latest videos.